We are pleased to show you the 2019 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: spray-in bed liner, running boards, perimeter alarm, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, leather seats, power tilting steering wheel, compass. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.